Hey YouTube, Jason here with Daytrading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and also subscribe. And also check out the weekly trade zones, link down below. Same with the Patreon page, link down below. But let's jump right into this video. We're actually getting long. Again, try and get long right here. Okay, my stop is going below the low of day. I'm trading this 61.8 Fibonacci retracement pullback. I've been kind of waiting for this trade. We also have divergence right here. Okay, so I'll kind of draw out what this trade is. I will actually look to potentially add to this trade down below, probably around the 97 level. And also, I'm going to look to add at the 96 level on this trade, because what I'm looking for is I know that we have a gap, right, from Friday's close, right around this 95 level, or sorry, Monday's close. But let's see what happens with this. So I kind of want to see a little push lower and then a bounce right back up to this 4,200 level. So I just got filled on my second one. I'll probably bring a lot of these down. So let's see what happens with this bounce. I will have one final bounce or add right here on this contract. So right now we're long 2 with a 41.98 level. So let's kind of see what happens with this. I'm probably getting, like I said, I want to see a bounce at least back up to this 4,200. So I'm going to grab these two contracts and probably go 99.50 to front run it, but we will see. The divergence is no longer there. Okay, just so you guys know. I mean, it actually still is, because if we draw from here to here, we actually have a double bottom. So the divergence is actually still alive and well. Let's see if we could get this third fill right here. Okay, and I will take a loss right below 95, but we will see what happens. Hopefully there is support. You could see 300-400 big contract size. So let's see, let's pull up Bookmap. We could see it right here. Look at this big order, right? You could see all my orders right here on the Bookmap. So let's see if we could get a buy. If we could break nice clean little waterfall, if we could get a pop right here, okay, we should be able to at least get back up to this 70. I'll probably start to bring all these down, but we will see. I'm just scaling into a major support level, especially looking with a Bookmap and using it, right? So this is how I'll use Bookmap to help me be able to identify support and resistance levels. So let's see what happens. Look at that, came right down. We're bouncing off, right? Potential divergence right here. Okay, and let's see if this could get its kind of act together and start to move back to the upside. Again, I will pull up a Bookmap so we could see it's all. Again, if we kind of take out this low, okay, those lows, we really don't want to be in it. But the logic is this is a gap fill, right? So we've kind of filled the gap. Look at this. Here come the buyers, right? Buyers start to come in. We now start to see with Bookmap, we see the buyers actually starting to lift the bid, right? Here we go. Let's see if we could get a nice rally up to this 99. We'll actually end up making $1.50 per contract, or $150. Essentially 6 ticks, right? 98. I'm just looking at something real quick. So essentially 6 ticks per contract is what we will be, and which will end up making, right? Every point, so 75 bucks per contract will make, because we're kind of dollar cost average, and we're just trying to get it all out at one exact price. So here we go, 98. Could we get 99 right there? We're running for our fill. Boom, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay. And let's see if this was the right level to kind of take. Do we reverse and start to pull back, right? But one of the things is, I just want you guys to see how powerful Bookmap is, right? Using these support resistance levels. There is a link down below in the description if you want to try Bookmap out. So you could do a free trial with them. Just click the link down below in the description. Really, really great, powerful tool. And look at this. That looks like, yeah, we got up to that 4,000 or the 4,200. But we're kind of bouncing, but look at how powerful. And once we started to reverse, we had the divergence. Yes, the first one failed. That's why we added, but we knew exactly where our stop loss was, right below the low of the session, because we really didn't want to be in it. And again, we got six ticks, which is $75 per contract, for a total of 75, 150, 2.25, $225. So hopefully this video kind of helps you guys really identify and understand how Bookmap works, also how to scale in, right, using our Fibonacci. And if we kind of zoom out, okay, all we were doing was looking at these lows to this high, a pullback right into our 61 to 70%. Hey, sometimes it overshoots, right? And that's why you sometimes want to add to the position, right? So that is a very, very powerful tool. When you learn it, I have videos on how to do the Fibonacci pullback. If you want to check go through my videos, you'll see them. But this is, think about this, right? We kind of are making a high, a low, lower high, lower low. Well, we could grab our Fibonacci retracement and just go, I'd go from this high to this low right here. Okay. And look at this. We pulled right to the 38. I'd look for, because this is a potential reversal, because this high took out these swing lows, because we made a low, a bounce, right? And then new lows. So now the question is, okay, and I'll give you a quick little lesson, is go from this high to this low, okay? Do we pull back a little bit here into, and look at how the 70 and 61 match up almost perfect right to this 96, 97 level, right? And want to know something? Let's take a quick trade, right? What I'll do is I'll try this pullback. I'm going to just look for a quick 1 point scalp on this trade. My stop will go right below these lows, but all I want to see is a quick little bounce to the upside. I'm not going to get greedy. I'm not looking for a huge move right now, because you could tell the market does feel weak, but could we get a bounce real quick just right back up, right? And we're essentially going to risk 2 points on this trade. So let's see what Bookmap shows us, right? Look at this. A lot of them actually disappeared. But let's see what happens if we could break above, right? Look at this nice clean waterfall. If we could get above this 97, we should be able to see a quick little pop to the upside. There we go. Here's our pop. Want to know something? There are things I don't like about this trade. I'm not a huge fan. So if I could get it out for a couple ticks, I will try it. And that, yeah, I might have missed my my attempt to get it out for a couple ticks. Again, this is part of trading. I want to show you guys the good and the bad. Real-time trading using Bookmap, things like that. And want to know something? I'm actually going to try and kill this. I will take a 2 tick loss right now. There are things I don't like in the market right now. I think we're going to make new lows. Just the kind of the move of it. A lot of this is gone, and watch, we'll probably make new lows. We're going to blow right through this. More than likely. Here we go, right? Oh, and there goes the move I was looking for, right? So I'd rather take a 2-tick loss than a 2-point loss. And yes, I should have kept it, but this is part of trading. You also have to learn to manage risk. But again, with this trading, with this video, we made $200. We made 225, then took a 2-tick loss, minus 25, so 200. Again, I try and show you guys the good and bad with all my videos, but hopefully this helped. But again, I mean, sometimes we overthink the trades, that if I would have left the trade, it would have been a winner, and just abide by it. And we are pulling back. We never took out that low. Okay. Again, this is also part of the pullback trade. So hopefully that helps, guys. Thank you for watching. And until next time, we'll talk to you guys soon.